Hi kids, here's what I'd like you to do today. On the first slide, I'd like you to click here. Well, she'll give you this link. It's also attached to this right here, but whatever. When you click on that link, I want you to go over here and click on Starter Project. Click on this Starter Project. This is about creating the Google logo. When you click on Starter Project, it might have you log in for your Scratch information. I'm already logged in over here, but if you need to log in, just do that and you'll get this. What I'd like you to do is change up what the Google letters are going to do. You use these drawers, and in my case, I'd always like to start with an event. For this one, I'm going to use when the green flag is clicked. So whenever I click this green flag, whatever I code is going to happen. I'm going to be coding the blue capital G right here. If I click that, I'm now coding the O. See, it's faintly here. I click a different one, it'll tell me which one I'm actually writing the code for. So I'm going to start with the blue capital G. And for this one, I'd like him to go in a circle. So if I turn him 15 degrees one time, it's just going to go dink. That's it. But I don't want that. So I'm going to set him back to 90, where he started. And I know that to go in a complete circle, an object would need to go 360 degrees. Right now, it's only going 15. So, hi, good morning, dogs. So I would like this to go 360 degrees. So let me see if I think about it. 360 degrees divided by 15. It'd have to go around 24 times. But I can change this. If I don't want to do hard math, I could just say I want it to go around 90 and just do it 4 times. When I go to the control button, I want that to go around 4 times to make a complete circle. So 360 is a complete circle. So watch this. I press the go button. Whoop! It whipped around super fast. Wow, that was really fast. Maybe if I do 10 degrees 36 times, because 36 times 10 is still 360, will it slow down? A little bit. Okay, because it's going 36 times rather than 4. But if I want it to go not just once, I could do forever. And it's going to turn forever 10 degrees. Doesn't matter how many times I ask it, it's just going to turn forever. Now, if I only want it to turn around once, maybe that's all I want. But maybe I want it to go a little bit slower. Maybe I want it to go like a clock. If I just have it wait a second between each turn, then it'll go a lot slower. Maybe that's too slow. So I'm going to change it to half a second. Oh, wait, I forgot the decimal. Doop-a-doop. Decimal is pretty important. Now it'll go at that speed. You know what? I don't like him going backwards. I'm going to delete that, and I like to see if he's going to go better this way. All right. So that one's going to go around slowly. I'm going to start this one back off where it was. There. So that's what I want the G to do. Now for this O, I'm going to go to events, make him start there. I would like him to glide. And I'd like him to glide. Nope, I don't want to go random yet. I want him to glide. Now notice he's right now at this coordinate, -65 and y. So the -65 is this way, left and right. The y is up and down. So I'd like him to go up. So I'm going to make him go up, I don't know, to 200. That's going to go up. I want him to do it slowly, so I'm going to slow this down from 1. I'm going to give him 2 seconds to do that. Then I want him to wait before he's going to drop back down. So I want him to glide up and have him wait 3 seconds up there like he's floating. Then I'd like him to, I'll have him glide back down. That's his original spot. I want him to glide down slowly like he's floating down. So I'll give him 5 seconds to do that. Let's see what happens. So what should happen is he should go up. It'll take 2 seconds to go up to 200. Wait up there for 3 seconds and then slowly drop down to his original spot. Let's see. 1, 2. Oh. He drops down. That's kind of cool. Maybe at the end, I'll have him say, hello. Notice I clicked the green flag, so this guy got going. Now when he lands, hello. That's cute. Let's see, now I want to code this guy. I'm going to always start with the green flag because I want all of my letters to do a green flag thing. I want this guy to do the same as the other guy, but I want him to go down and then come back up. So I'm going to have him glide downwards. So I'm going to do a negative number. Negative 200. This is the opposite of the other one. I'll give him the same seconds. 2 seconds. And then wait 2 seconds. And then glide back to his original position. And I'm going to have him, let's see, the other guy waited 5 seconds. I'll have this guy wait 6 seconds so he can respawn back. Doink. So you were 3. Oops. So the other guy was 5. I'll have him wait, take 6 seconds, and then he'll say hi back. Or hey, you. Now if I click the green button, I'm going to get this guy back to where he belongs. Oh, you. Just type 90 because I know I want you at 90. All right, we're going to start over. Press that. Press go. Go. Okay, they've separated. One went up, one went down. The G spun. All right, the red should land a second early. Say hello. Hey, you. Oh, what is that? Okay, now let's move to the G. The G, I want the G to go all around for a while. So I'm going to have this guy. You know what? I'm going to have him go to a random position, not glide, but pop, 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 pop. And I want him to do that like, I'm going to have him do like 20 times. But no pause, just pop, 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 pop. And then, but if I do this, he's just going to end up wherever because he's going to go to a random spot. Boom, 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 anywhere over here. But when he's done with all that, I would like him to glide back to his original spot, which is 82, 0. So I want him to glide back to the original spot from wherever he lands. I'm going to give him 5 seconds to glide back. So let's see how that works. What should happen for the blue G is that he should go 20 times all over the screen, but after the 20 times all over, he should glide back to his original spot. Whoa! He really did go jamming all over the place. Now, if I want a little bit of time between each of those jump arounds, I could do less than a second each and do 0.25 or 0.5, which is half a second. So then if he does a half a second, he's going to bounce around 20 times. So I could see him a little bit better. And then he's going to glide back. after 20, no matter where he landed. If I did 1 second, it's going to take him a lot longer. I'm going to stay in each place for a full second. Doesn't matter how long I want to do it. If I don't want him to wait at all, I would take that right out and he'd go super fast. I kind of like that I can see where it lands. Let's see what we can do with the last 2 letters. I want to work on the L next, but I don't want the L to be there when I start. If I do that, it kind of clears everything up except for the position. I'm going to want this guy back to 90. You, 90. Yeah, I want this guy off the screen when this starts. So I want you to go off the screen. So I want you to go, right now, his position is 129 to 0, which is lovely. But I do want him off the screen. So I want him like over here. So I'm not going to change the Y because that's up and down. I'm going to change the X. And I want the X, maybe I want him at like, I'll try 300. See how far that moves him over. And the Y I don't want to change. See where he goes. Yeah, that's far enough. If I want him to go further, start over. If I want that, I don't know. We'll see. We'll start at 400 or 300, get him off the screen or get him out of the zone. And then I think I want him just to glide back very slowly. So I'm going to give him 20 seconds to slide back to his original position. You going to do it, bud? No, he's not feeling it. Let's try 250. Back over here, you. That doesn't seem to be working. So we just have to fiddle around with it. Maybe if I just have him wait a second, then maybe he'll come back. I don't know. Sometimes if things aren't working, you just have to fiddle around with it. And that's A-okay. We have a lot of other options over here. I'm only doing some very basic ones today, just to see what happens. But if one doesn't work, you can always try other ones. Let's see. Let's get you back to where you belong, buddy. He was at 120. No, he wasn't. 124, I think. Oh, these dogs are very upset. Yeah, 130. So, what could we do with him? I don't want to do those yet. Maybe I just want, do I want a sound for him? Do I want him to do some thinking? Maybe he's kind of a dope. Maybe he's just gonna sit there. Maybe he's just gonna wait 5 seconds while all these other things are moving around, and he's just gonna be kind of dumb. What's going on? And he's gonna just think that for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now he's gonna pop it up. What's going on? What? Totally confused. So let's try the E. What do I want to do with the E? I want him to start on this, but if I wanted to control it, I could say start on when I press the space bar, when I press a letter, but I want all of these to start when I hit this flag. And I'm I'm just going to let the E go crazy. I'm going to let him, maybe he's going to be a spinner arounder. He's just going to spin. Now this one would make me dizzy. Whoa, 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 whoa. He's just going to spin around. But he's never going to stop because I told it to go forever. Whoa. All right. So what I'd like you to do today is copy this. Good luck. Have fun. It'll be a blast. Don't be the E. It'll make you dizzy. Have a great day.